Good morning. Today I'm going to discuss some questions in physics, and the topic is ABC of Physics 4. In the first question is, why is the speed of light in glass less than the speed of light in air? Answer is wavelength, which is represented as lambda of light wave, decreases when it enters a denser medium from a rarer medium. That is from air to glass. Frequency of light wave remains same in all the media it travels, and we know that the speed of light wave is equals to wavelength into frequency. Wavelength of light in glass is less than wavelength of light in air. So the speed of light in glass is less than the speed of light in air. The second question is, which fuel is used in atomic power plants? Answer is, the fuel used in atomic power plants is a radioactive substance, that is uranium 235. Third question is, what is the advantage of producing alternating current electric power by the power plants? Answer is, the advantage of producing alternating current AC electric power is that it can be stepped up to a very high voltage by using transformers, and hence it can be transmitted over long distances without much loss of power. The stepping up of voltage is not possible with direct current DC. Fourth question is, what is the motor principle in electrical devices? Answer is, in 1821, Michael Faraday discovered that when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, a mechanical force is exerted on the conductor which can make the conductor move. This is known as the motor principle and forms the basis of a large number of electrical devices like electric motor and moving coil galvanometer. Fifth question is, why aren't fast moving neutrons used in the fission of uranium 235? Answer is, the fission of uranium U-235 nuclei is caused only by slow moving neutrons, not by fast moving neutrons, because A slow moving neutron has more time to interact with the uranium 235 nucleus and cause it fission. Sixth question is define couple and write its unit. Answer is two equal, parallel but opposite forces acting on a body whose lines of action are not same form a couple. Its SI unit is Newton meter. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.